So, and Krishna he has so much love. So, Pandavas, if they have any kind of calamity or problem, Krishna he comes and he will solve all his problems.
如果潘頭有咩問題出現嘅時候咧，經常都會幫助佢哋解決問題嘅。
And Pandavas they completely surrender to the feet of Krishna.
咁潘頭亦都係完全咧咁樣歸非常嘅蓮花足嘅。
And especially Yudhishthira Maharaj,
特別係要啲斯啦
he
馬拉，
completely surrender to the feet of.
佢係做任何嘢都係完全都歸於非常嘅蓮花足咁樣做嘅。
And Krishna always he is staying in the house of Pandavas.
咁樣 Krishna 咧亦都係咧成日都經常喺啊潘頭話佢屋企住。
Because he is the best friend of Pandavas.
因為咧佢咧係屬於潘頭係最好嘅朋友。
Our scriptures explain. How you know he is?
其實咧經典嗰度講話，邊個其實係我哋真正嘅朋友咧？
Who is your friend? How you know?
邊個真係
Utsavev Sanejaiva Rajatare Sanecha Jatishtu. If any your festival is going on without giving invitation, he comes. He is called as a friend.
其實呢個你有去個 party 咧，你唔使請佢，佢都自動會嚟嘅。呢啲叫做多朋友。
Vyasanechaiva, if you any marriage ceremony is going on, also without giving invitation, he comes and helps you.
咁其他啲節日都係或者活動都係你唔使請佢，佢都嚟啊！呢叫朋友關係啊。
Rajatare, if you have any problem of politics, then he comes and also solve all your
咁
problems.
如果一個人咧有咩問題出現嘅時候，或者困難嘅時候咧，面對咩困難嗰陣，佢咧都唔使你叫佢都識得過嚟幫手啊！
So he is called as a friend.
呢啲就都係叫做朋友。
Rajatare Sasanecha means will die.
咁咧仲有咧就係我哋死嗰啲朋友都會出現。
When your dead body is going to the what is it called?
criminal
place, and he comes and also helps you.
咁咧佢朋友咧都會過嚟送別咁樣。
Because Niti Shastra also explains Utsavev Sanejaiva Rajatare Sasanecha Jatishtati Savandhava is your bandha friend.
咁咧其實呢啲就叫做幫助佢嘅朋友意思。
So who is your best friend? You can come here.
揾邊個嚟係邊個係你嘅好朋友，佢就會出現。
Your spiritual life.
即係你其實咧邊個係最好嘅朋友？幫助我哋靈性嘅人咧就係最好嘅朋友。
Who helps material life? Actually, he is a friend, but he is not a real friend.
其實幫助我哋靈物質嗰啲嘢先係朋友，其實唔係真正嘅朋友嚟。
So who is your real friend?
咁邊個係我哋真正嘅朋友？
And develop your spiritual.
嗰啲真正可以幫到我哋咧靈性嘅人咧就真正嘅朋友啊！
General English word also saying, friend means a friend is in need, a friend is
friend in need is a friend indeed.
What?
A friend is need, a friend is
Indeed.
indeed.
Yeah.
即係話一個朋友需要嗰陣，嗰個另外嘅朋友就會去做咁樣。即係做朋友需要嘅呢啲都係真正嘅朋友。
Very nice beautiful story, tell you, they don't understand.
舉個例子啊，聽咗故事咧就知道，就明白。
Once, two friends,
有一次兩個
very
朋
good
友，
friends both are.
佢哋係好朋友嚟嘅。
Many years they are staying together.
咁啊，大家咧就相處咗好多年啦。
Then they decide they have to go another city.
咁後尾佢哋決定咗去搬遷其他城市。
So both are going, and but when they came in the middle of the way, there was a small forest.
咁咧，佢哋咧喺路上咧係途中咧係有啲森林喺度嘅。
They have to cross that the forest.
咁佢哋當時係要橫，即係話要
When they came in
經過
the
森林，
middle of the forest,
即係喺個森林中嘅時候，
and that time one bear,
咁有一個嗰啲狗咩狗熊，
Halu,
係啦，就係啲熊仔咧出咗嚟，
attacked him.
其實普通話叫做狗熊啊，
That
就
time
係
they think
嗰
what
啲
to
熊
do
仔
now?。That time one friend, another friend told, do you know how to climb the tree? You can hide.
咁嗰兩個朋友其中有一個就問佢而家點啊？好危險啊！我哋要爬上樹啊！你識唔識點樣爬樹？
Then one friend told, no, I don't know how to climb.
佢話我都未爬過樹，都唔知點樣上樹啊！
Then another friend told, what to do now?
咁佢話咁點算好咧？
Protect life.
咁但係咧都要保，即係話要投命咁。
They noticed that the bear coming very close.
咁後尾佢哋覺得咧個熊貓，即係個熊貓咧，個熊咧係行到好近咁。
Then one friend who knows to climb the tree, he was very quickly
咁嗰個識得爬樹嘅，佢就嗱一聲走，即係爬到上個樹嗰度，
and hide.
就藏喺個樹嗰度。
Then another friend is thinking what to do. He can't to climb in the
咁
tree.
另外個朋友就唔知點樣爬樹，佢就諗住唔知點算好。
He cannot climb in the tree.
啊，
So he thinking what to do now.
咁點算啊？佢諗住。
Yeah. But he heard someone.
咁咧佢聽到有啲聲咧，
The bear, he does not eat anything dead.
即係佢聽過咧，其實咧啲熊咧係唔食死屍嘅，
मालूम है हमारा उसे खाते हैं
即係咧係啲死肉佢唔食嘅，佢要食新鮮㗎。
then he also lay down
咁佢裝死，瞓低裝死。
and pretend and also cover his body with one cloth
咁佢用件衫咧係蓋住自己個身，蓋住自己個身體炸死咁。
and he also control his
breathe，
breath
咁佢咧就係控制佢嘅呼吸啊。
as like that. Then after a few minutes, the bear came.
咁後尾幾分鐘之後咧，嗰個熊咧就走咗過嚟。
Then bear just taking the smell.
咁嗰個熊咧就喺度聞下呢個屍體咁樣。
So this is not dead body. He is pretending as like dead.
後尾佢知道佢唔係死嘅。
Then we are taking the smell from his feet, arms,
咁佢啲腳啊、手啊咁樣開始聞佢啲味道
whole。body checking. Is it dead body or real body?
佢咧係戚緊咧，其實佢哋都聞到有啲感知嘅。
Then we are taking the smell from his mouth and ears.
後尾佢又去檢查佢個嘴即係個口同埋個耳仔嗰度。
But this friend, he completely control his brain.
咁咧佢係完全控制佢嘅呼吸啊。
Then we are thinking, oh, this is completely dead.
後尾佢咧都見到唔係瞓着啲人，而係死人咁樣。
Then we are we went away from the place.
咁咧嗰個熊咧就走開咗。
That friend who is sitting on the top of the branches, he noticed.
咁咧樹上邊嗰個朋友咧就見到呢啲蛇一齊。
He noticed we are taking the smell from
佢
friends.
全部都睇晒啊！點樣佢喺度聞佢啲味啊？點樣佢聞個？
So when that the bear went out from the forest,
當個熊咧走咗嗰陣時，
then his friend came down from the
佢
branch.
個朋友一齊喺樹嗰度落嚟。
Then he asked his friend, I noticed the bear.
Bear.
Eh?
Bear。
Bear spoke something in your ears.
佢話咧，其實咧，我好似見到咧個熊咧同你啲個耳仔嗰度咧講咗啲嘢啊。
Tell to me, what did he say to you?
咁佢同你講咗啲乜嘢啊？
That time friend told this. What is that? A friend is deed, a friend is
Friend in need,
Need.
is a friend indeed.
indeed. A friend is need and a friend is need. And need or deed or need.
Friend in need, जिसको आवश्यकता है, वो जरूर आपका मित्र है. So a friend in need is a friend indeed.
即係話一個朋友喺做佢需要咯，咁樣。
Huh? What is that? A friend is
In need,
in need.
yeah,
Then
You will
a friend is
indeed.
即係佢做佢需要嗰啲嘢咯。
that means is what? When you have wealth, money, that time everybody also will become your friend.
哦，即係意思係話咧
It's a nature.，
需要嗰陣就係朋友咯。我哋嘅意思。
And
需要嗰陣
everybody
時就係
asks
朋友，
you,
需要
how
嗰
are
陣就
you,
係
how
朋
are
友。
you? And if you have money in your pocket, then you are rich. Then everybody asks you, how are you, how are you, how are you?
有錢咧喂，咁咧你條件好嗰陣，人哋就問你幾好嘛幾好嘛。
Or when you completely penniless, no money, anything, then same person asks you, how are you? You are you.
咁啊，如果你有錢嗰陣時咧，佢哋就問你：好耐冇見咯，你幾好嘛？咁如果你冇錢嗰陣時咧，你靠近佢咧，一個窮鬼咁樣，人哋見到你都驚佢話你係邊個啊？
Because this is the nature of this material.
所以物質世界就係咁樣咯。
So that means, I want to say these things. Actually, who is your real friend?
所以咧，真正嘅朋友係咩咧？邊個係你真正嘅朋
Who
友？
is always with you and also help you any kinds of your calamity.
即係所有咧貧富嘅條件都好啦，或者係有困難都好啦，都會幫你嗰啲人叫做朋友。
Vipade, apade, sampade.
即係話唔計嗰啲咩條件或者係啲身份。
Even your good fortune, even your
你有錢嗰陣，我又係你個朋友；你窮嗰陣，我哋都係
one
你
who
朋友。
always help you and staying with you. Actually, he is called your friend.
一個咧成日都同自己一齊㗎，就叫做真正嘅朋友啊！
Is it?
即係如果係因為條件咧而咁樣做朋友，嗰啲係假朋友嚟嘅。
So I am saying because Krishna is the best friend of the Pandavas.
So the bear speaking this to the man.
This but who is the real friend? One who helps you if you have any calamity and always is staying with you.
He help nobody is helping each other there too. One is up and one is down. Who's helping whom?
You not understand how?
佢哋嗰兩個咧，你哋有冇明白咗嗰兩個人？一個喺樹上面，係一個喺下邊。
His friend is told, the Virat told to me, who is real my friend? You are not my real friend. Because when I am in calamity, then you leave me.
You just go up, but you didn't put me up first, and then up. Yes.
You did not help me.
即係頭先阿馬拉節講呢個點咧，係講到呢度，我哋仲未 get 佢嘅 point 啊嘛。佢嘅意思係就話咧，佢喺上面見到佢有嗰隻紅同你講啲乜嘢，佢就話咧係真正嘅朋友就需要嗰陣時會做咯。
So real friend means who is always
就表示佢唔係佢嘅真朋友咧。頭先嗰啲紅過嚟嗰陣時咧，佢自己識爬到上去入，佢都冇話你先啦，我拖住你一爬上去先，我先爬啦，都冇咁樣幫佢噶嘛。
You understand? or
即
not?
係走咗咧，就留低佢俾佢喺度食咯，好似佢食木先炸死咁咯。
So I think Krishna is our real friend.
所以咧，Krishna 咧先至係我哋真正嘅朋友。如果其他嗰啲真係
Because he is always with us. If our any calamity, any problem, he is with us.
即係如果就算我哋有任何困難啊，或者係咩唔好嘅嘢會發生，佢咧都喺我哋身邊咯。朋友嘅話咧，可能自己都投入就唔使理咁咯。
Krishna.
咁
Why?
Krishna 先至係好朋友。
Because Krishna is always with you.
所以啊，Krishna 咧係成日都陪住我哋嘅。
Okay? Actually, this moral about this story is saying in this way, who is our real friend, who is always with us
through good and bad.
If I have any calamity, any problem,
即係如果真正朋友嘅就好似頭先嗰兩個人，佢托住佢爬上去先咯，幫佢爬咗上去先係咪？咁自己先爬啊嘛。但唔係喎，佢對個朋友咩朋友？即係你識得爬時，你爬上去下邊嗰個鬧得佢喺度食啊，就係咁嘅意思。就
in
即
the
係唔
same
係
way,
真嘅好
Krishna
朋友
is。the real friend of Pandavas.
但係咧 ，Krishna 咧呢個朋友咧就係大家嘅永恆朋友嘅最佳吧。
Because Pandavas, they have any problem, Krishna comes and solves all his
咁
problems.
啊，生物體以我哋歸依嘅程度啊，好似五烹頭啊咁樣，佢哋歸依嘅程度已經達到咁高咧，令到咧 Krishna 一有乜嘢佢就即刻會出現嚟幫佢解決。
If you read Mahabharata, Krishna always is staying with the Pandavas.
咁喺馬哈巴拉特嗰度咧記載咗好多咁嘅例子啦。五烹頭一有乜嘢咧，佢就過嚟咧係幫佢嘅。
When Dusasana tried to naked Draupadi, then Draupadi prayed to Krishna. Then Krishna came and protected her.
好似杜莎神咧，佢想咧除咗都法迪嗰個衫褲衫衣啊，咁咧佢都法迪咧係求你個 Winda 嚟幫佢嗰陣時，佢都走過嚟幫佢。
You know this story.
大家都聽過啲超時關係咪？
Dusasana, he pulled the sari of Draupadi, but no one helped.
但當時咧係杜莎神喺嗰度咧，想扯低都法迪嗰條裙嘅時候咧，係冇人幫到佢。
Draupadi is thinking my 5 husbands could be helped to me.
咁多巴迪諗住佢自己有5個丈夫喎，咁梗係嗰啲5個丈夫都咁勁嘅世界聞名嘅將軍嚟㗎啦，點知咧佢哋都冇幫佢。
Then maybe Bhishma Pitamaha,
後
Dronacharya,
尾佢哋諗住咧嗰個祖父呢邊
they can also help, but they did not help.
Krishna 爹話佢咧可能係去幫佢，但係點知咧佢又冇出手。
And then Draupadi, she also tried to herself to protect.
咁啊，都法迪亦都係佢想自我保護咁樣。
First she, with her hands, tried to
我
protect
開始嗰陣時，
herself.
佢用隻手咧咁緊緊揸住自己條裙啊，個紗呢裙。
But failed. She could
後
not.
尾佢都唔夠力。
Then she think I will protect my sinus with my teeth. She
之後咧，
also-
我哋咧出到冇力嗰陣時，會用啲牙咧咬啊埋啲嘢，即係冇咩其他力嗰陣時，
but not possible.
佢咬字都唔夠
Then
力。
she raised to her hands.
咁後尾嗰陣時佢就
Up to Rakho Murali. Hey Krishna, now you can help him. When Draupadi, she raised to her hands, then Krishna appeared and well,
所以你一個人咧兩隻手咧舉起身咧，歸依 Krishna 嘅時候，佢就會出現。
Draupadi's whole body, Krishna himself wrapped it.
咁 Krishna 變成呢個沙尼嘅裙咧，係幫佢包實佢
Pulls
嘅。
many saris.
咁杜莎山咧將啲沙尼咧啲布咩拉出嚟咧，咁成個衫咁多嘅個裙啊咁長啊，但係咧都除唔晒佢啲衫布。
This is
呢就係 Krishna 真正嘅朋友。
what the teaching here.
咁呢個
Draupadi
教
she
導。
asked to Krishna. So why did not you come first to protect my
咁後
sinus?
尾咧，等嗰啲事過咗之後咧，多巴迪就問 Krishna：咁點解你一開始就唔過嚟保護我咧？
Krishna told Draupadi, this is not my fault.
咁 Krishna 話：多巴迪呢啲唔係我嘅錯，
Because first you are thinking your husband they will protect you.
因為
Then
你
you are
都
looking your superiors, Dronacharya.
Krishna 話咧，Krishna 話咧，諗到你個丈夫啊，Bhishma 爹話同埋啦 Dronacharya 你哋嘅家庭係
Then you thinking yourself, you protect yourself.
之後咪你又覺得你自己先保護你自己，
Eh?
你
But
又
finally
咁，
when you also completely surrender, then
咁你一路都冇諗到我係最尾你先諗到我，咁咧你歸依咗我之後咧，咁我先嚟嘅。
that means when Krishna will come and help to us.
咁咧大家明啦，呢個就係教導啊！你要諗到佢嗰陣時，佢先會出
When
現。
we will completely, absolutely surrender to Krishna.
當我哋係200%咁歸依佢嘅時候，佢就保護我哋。
Then Krishna will help us. Otherwise,
咁啊嗰陣時咧，你唔使擔心啊，你將佢行闖絕闖都得噶，只要你唔會犯規嗰啲，佢肯定保護你嘅，你唔會有事。
so now coming in this way, the Krishna is the best friend of the Pandavas.
所以咧，其實咧，五班道話咧，佢哋最好嘅朋友、最佳朋友就係 Krishna。
If they have any problems or any festival going on, then Krishna comes.
咁咧，如果佢哋有咩問題出現嘅時候咧，Krishna 都會嚟咧幫佢哋解決問題嘅。
Just to enjoy.
所以我哋應該
Pandavas, they are staying in the exile in the forest.
當時咧，五班道話咧係俾流放喺森林嘅時候，
And in Kambova,
喺卡咩灣嗰度，卡咩森林。
going to Brajamandal Parikrama.
咁大家咧去朝聖嗰陣時都知道呢個地方，
Bimal Kunda,
即係喺邊媽聖湖嗰邊嘅邊媽潘達嗰山。
and that place also, Pandavas, they are staying few months.
咁潘達華咧亦都喺嗰邊咧住咗幾個月嘅。
Then once, midday,
有一次咧係中午嘅時候，
then Pandavas, Yudhishthira, Arjuna, Nakul, Sahadeva and Draupadi took prasad.
咁佢哋咧係五兄弟同埋佢嘅妻子同埋佢哋嘅媽媽個母后
Now they are
一
going
齊咧
to
食
about
中餐。
rest, midday
咁
rest.
佢哋咧就差唔多休息嘅時候，
Draupadi, she had one mystic bowl.
咁多一班嘢咧得到祝福啊！所有個聖人啦，俾咗一個煲俾佢喺個神奇
That
煲。
mystic bowl can create many kinds of delicious food
嗰
prasad.
神奇煲咧係咁嘅，即係佢煮咗一啲嘢咧，就會變成無數種唔同嘅
And she
菜。
can feed millions persons and
咁咧
many
就算
kinds
幾
of
百萬
dishes.
人，佢都食唔晒有個煲仔。
Eh? But when Draupadi she would take prasad and watch that that bowl cannot manifest any
但係
control.
咧，每一次咧，如果係多巴蒂佢自己都最後一個食咗，同埋洗埋個煲嘅時候咧，就乜都冇噶啦。
So midday of Pandavas they took prasad and Draupadi also took prasad and Draupadi she also cleaned her that mystic pot.
咁咧嗰次咧就係大家都五兄弟食完啦，咁佢哋嘅母后都食完。咁之後多巴蒂咧就將呢個煲咧，即係話佢自己食完咗之後咧，將個煲啊洗乾淨，擺起身㗎。
Then they are going to take rest.
咁佢哋要中休息嘅時候，
In the meantime, Durvasa Rishi, very powerful and angry Maharaj.
咁咧呢個時候咧，我哋大家都聽聞啦，個薩摩尼佢係非常之好嘅一個神通家，高級嘅神秘嗰個
Have to understand who is Durvasa Rishi. Very powerful.
聖人啊，但係佢好中意嬲㗎。
Yeah. And he is very angry. Little bit you fall, then he will give
如果你
curse.
有少少錯誤咧，佢就會詛咒你。
Everybody afraid from
所以個個
Durvasa
咧
Rishi.
都係好小心同佢有交流嘅
Yeah.
交往。
Then Durvasa Rishi came in the cottage of Yudhishthira Maharaj with his 60,000 disciples.
咁咧當時咧嗰薩摩尼係帶咗呢6萬個門徒過嚟佢個屋企做客。
Okay. Then Durvasa Rishi, when came, then Yudhishthira Maharaj very humble.
咁咧佢咧嚟到嗰時咧，有啲時咧馬來好謙卑咁樣歡迎咗佢。
Okay. This is the etiquette. Welcome to him.
咁咧呢啲係一個禮節啊文化咁樣，即係客人到咧係唔可以怠慢嘅，一定咧要好熱情咁樣去歡迎啲客人。
When Durvasa Rishi seated in his ashram,
咁當時呢時佢坐咗喺佢嘅阿神即係佢嘅坐位嗰度嗰陣時。
then Yudhishthira Maharaj first had to speak some sweet words to glorify to Durvasa Rishi.
咁咧有朋友嚟啊，或者聖人嚟，一定要講翻啲好聽嘅説話，咁樣會榮耀佢哋。
Then Yudhishthira Maharaj very humble told some very poetical, lyrical words.
咁要啲師啦馬啦，就係好識講嘢嘅人啊，所以佢哋都用咗啲比較靚嘅詞咁樣去讚美佢。
He told, "Hey Maharaj, you are so kind and to come in my house. And so you are just decorating my house because you are sadhu."
因為佢話：哦馬啦，似你真係好仁慈嚟到我屋企咧做客啦。因為你屬於係聖人啊，所以你嚟到裝飾我哋個屋咁。
That is Sanskrit, that is Swabhavartan Kiji. Please kindly to decorate my house, come in my house.
所以咧，即係聖人一嚟到屋企，其實係裝飾自己嘅屋企嚟。
Then Durvasa become very angry.
咁多晒你唔開心。
Hey! Who is it? What do you say? I have come in your house to check your house.
佢話點啊？你講咩話？我要過嚟裝飾你啲屋，你屋企。
I'm not the ornaments and cloth.
佢話我又唔係裝飾品，亦都唔係啲布
To check
料。
your house.
點解咧嚟咧裝飾你個屋㗎？
If you would not, the son of Kunti, then I give to curse you.
佢話如果你唔係啊昆條皇后嘅仔嘅話咧，我實咗咒咗你嘅。
Then Yudhishthira Maharaj hold his lotus feet.
咁要啲先馬勒草經，
And
捉
this
住
one
佢
very
嘅
humble
開
told,
作。
Oh Rishi, this is my slip of tongue.
所以
This
你
is
後尾
my slip of tongue.
咁咧佢就話我講嘢太快啦。
Oh, I am very wretched. I have no bhakti.
其實咧我係一
You
個
are saintly
非
person,
常之第六
traveling around the world,
同埋可憐㗎，所以我都冇
Just
冇有俾人
giving your food dust. Then my house purified.
咁咧你呢係周遊嘅世界嘅，所以咧希望你咧由你個蓮花足嗰度俾塵土咧咁樣淨下我哋屋企啊！
Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavata, Tirthivuta, Sankro, Tirthikubante Tirthani, Santastena Karapita. Because Santa Mahatma, they travel around the world.
即係嗰啲聖人咧，佢哋去世界，佢咁樣去周遊點解咧？
Because sinful person, they used to go the tirtha, and that tirtha completely contaminated with the sin.
咁咧好多啲全部啲罪人咧去咗聖地，留下嗰個罪喺度咧，令到聖地咧都受到罪嘅污染。
But sadhu, pure sadhu, who holds the lotus feet of Krishna in his heart.
但聖人咧就係有 Krishna 嘅蓮花足喺佢哋嘅心嗰度。
So sadhu comes in the tirtha, then automatically the tirtha purified.
咁咧沙度咧聖人咧到邊一個地方都好，因為佢有身上有
So
Krishna，
learn this one.
所以佢淨化嗰啲地方。
Tirtha Prabhante Tirthani Santastena Gadabrita.
即係下次大家聽下學呢啲咁嘅詩詞。
Then Durvasa said, yes, this is now proper etiquette. We glorified
多
Krishna.
沙多沙乜你唔係？你而家咧係講得咧比較適合啊。
This is the evidence from Srimad Bhagavatam. Sadhu goes in the house of Grihastha and purifies his house with his food dust.
所以呢啲係佛家話壇直經就咁樣講㗎。沙圖聖人咧係去人哋居士嘅屋企咧，係用佢哋另外一側下邊嘅塵土咧，係去淨化居士嘅屋企同埋居士佢哋嘅。
यदि न गृहे भजन देखी गृहते गोलक भाय चरण सिंधु देखिया गंगा सुख न सीमा पाय सूत भकत चरण रेणु भजन अनुकूल भकत सेवा परम सिद्धि Prem Gati Karamula. When pure devotee used to go in the house of devotee or house of household.
如果純粹咧啲奉獻者去到啲居士屋企嘅時候，
Just the food dust of the sadhus in that house completely purified.
咁咧成日咧聖人嘅蓮花足下嘅塵土咧，就已經淨化咗嗰啲居士嘅屋
Scriptures
企。
explain this. Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavata, Tirthibhuta, Sanprabhu, Tirthakubante Tirthani, Santastena Gadapita. Santa Mahatma Sadhu comes to your house, then your house completely what?
平成嗰啲聖人咧，係去到咧人哋屋企咧，就自然咁樣咧，就係淨化咗佢哋嘅家庭。
Understand? So Yudhishthira told, then Durvasa said, yes, now you are proper way.
因為第一次其實佢都係其實講咗，只不過用比較靚啲嘅同埋藝術啲嘅
But
詞有少少聽唔
listen,
明。
now
咁佢而家講
midday,
呢就啱啦。佢話咧，你知講
about
得啱啦。
12:30.
而家差唔多12點半冇咯。
Eh? I am very hungry.
我呢好肚餓，
To prepare prasadam, very nice prasadam for me
所以
and my 60,000 disciples.
咁咧同你咧應該你準備啲中生俾我哋食，同埋我6萬個門徒都要食飯。6萬個唔係60個啊！
And also prepare many kinds of prasadam, delicious prasadam. Not
同
only
埋
the
咧
khichdi.
要整啲豐盛嘅 prasadam 咁樣，
Huh? Understand? Khichdi, understand? Rice, dal, sabji, put in
即
one.
係好似啲白飯啊，唔係，即係嗰啲米飯啊，同埋咧啲豆湯啊、啲汁菜煲啊，
Prepare many
啲餅
kinds
啊
of delicious prasad for me. Huh?
應該煮嗰啲好味嘅嘢俾我食。
50 or 20, 10, like that. What is called?
Preparation.
Preparation.
咁咧最低限度要有25或者30種唔同嘅嗰啲菜咯，
Understand? Maybe 5 types of rice.
5種大米啊，我哋都食過，有啲係甜米嘅，有啲係甜奶飯咧，有啲係嗰啲咧就係白飯啦，有啲
Then
係炒
5 types
飯。
of what is called?
Sweets，
Sweets.
咁咧可能係15種10種咁樣啲甜品啦。
Jalebi, cham cham, rasgulla,
And also puri, chapati,
puri,
and
chapati, many things.
同埋啲炸餅啊，
And
嗰啲
paneer
麵
sabji,
餅啊，
you know, paneer sabji.
仲有咧嗰啲咧係嗰啲芝士濕
In
子
this
啊
way, he gave the big list of what is called
，preparation。
preparation.
哇！咁佢咧就話要煮好多好多嘢俾佢喎，佢先寫埋清
I am
單。
coming soon. Take bath from the river.
我哋咧可以沐浴嘅，一陣間我哋就翻嚟食㗎啦，
Coming soon. And
好快就翻嚟，
not more than 30 minutes.
30分鐘我哋就會翻嚟。
And all my disciples, they are very hungry also. I am hungry,
咁
my
咧，
disciples also.
而家咧係
they
佢
are
係6
hungry.
盟1個人咯。咁佢哋要食嘢啊！咁佢呢個咧5兄弟加埋佢媽媽同妻子得7個人咋，但係呢半個鐘個頭嘅時間要整埋咁多嘢出嚟俾佢哋食。
The Vasisi left his house and going to take bath.
咁咧，嗰十公年帶埋佢啲門徒咧就去咗咧聖河嗰度咧沐浴，
No any consideration, nothing.
冇有得傾，冇得傾㗎啦，冇得
I'm
條
soon
件
back.
即係我翻嚟就要食啦。
30 minutes. 30 minutes, how many 30 types of
30分鐘翻嚟咧要準備30種唔同嘅菜咧，而且咧俾6盟1個人食㗎。7個人去準備咁多嘢。
Yudhishthira Maharaj asked Draupadi, Hey Draupadi, what will you do now?
其實要啲小馬啦，就當時佢都冇咁驚，因為點解佢知道佢老婆有個神奇歌，
Draupadi
係
told,
咪？
in my house even not one grains in the house.
佢話而家點啊？你嗱去準備啦，因為如果佢有一粒米純粹嘅話，佢都會煮出嚟㗎。但係咧後尾都不斷話咧，你哋攞翻嚟去土，即係話去化完翻嚟嗰啲嘢我都煮晒落，煲都洗乾淨咗咯。咁點啊？而家
And now midday also, all the shops automatically what? Closed.
而家咧係中午嘅時候咧，啲人咧都休息啊，啲店亦都係閂門。
Shutting down. No rice, no sabji,
乜
nothing.
都乜都冇咁點，而家乜嘢都冇得煮。
Then Draupadi she told, already I washed my that mystic.
張快調話：呢個神奇煲咧，雖然可以俾我哋提供幾百萬人都得，佢有得食，但係問題就係而家我洗咗，所以真係冇辦法。
Then Yudhishthira Maharaj told Draupadi, today we cannot eat. We have to die today.
咁咧要啲馬拉就同佢老婆啊，佢張快調講，佢話今日咧我哋
Any
咧就
preparation from
死定啊！
Durvasa Rishi, then
我哋死梗
he will give
啊！
cards to us.
因為點解咧？如果我哋係煮唔出呢啲嘢俾佢食嘅話咧，佢係就詛咒我哋即刻死
Then
間死
today
㗎。
all will die and turn in ashes.
我哋全部都會俾嗰啲爐火燒成灰㗎。
So what will do?
所以佢就話點算好啊？
Understand? Durvasa is very powerful. Not-
做收呢次佢係好勁啊，好容易激動嘛，發嬲啊！
Then Draupadi just she closed her eyes.
咁張快調呢個時候咧，真係冇做嘅時候咧，佢就孭埋雙
And she
眼，
remembered to Krishna.
佢記起 Govinda Krishna。
Govinda Damo Dharamandhaveti Govinda Damo Govinda Dhamodaramadaveti Govinda Dhamodaramadaveti Krishna He Jadava He Sakheti Govinda Dhamodaramadaveti Govinda Dhamodaramadaveti Govinda Dhamodaramadaveti. Something miracle happened. That time no any what is called internet,
Không có gì冇得通訊啊，no mobile
no
phone。
telephone, nothing.
所以嗰陣時咧係冇手機嘅，亦都係冇人俾冇嗰啲信息啊或者報嗰啲。咁咧而家咧佢哋喺森林啊，而 Krishna 咧喺多拉卡咁遠嘅地方。
And same time Krishna took prasad in the place of Rukmini.
咁咧當時咧 Krishna 喺邊尼個皇宮嗰度準備要食飯㗎。
Meeting, Krishna took prasad in the house of Rukmini.
咁佢中午喺嗰邊咧，六邊尼嘅皇妃嗰度咧係
Then
食嘢。
Krishna just is going to take rest in his bed.
咁 Krishna 咧係想佢休息嘅時候，
And now this telephone. Look, Draupadi is here. Number one. Our message going in where? Dwarikapuri.
所以咧呢個係呢啲是 hotmail.com 馬啦 ，hotmail.com。
Message coming or not?
所以咧呢個信息已經係發咗出去啊，呢個就心靈信箱啊。
That time no telephone, nothing, but how message going?
咁嗰陣時係冇有電話，亦都冇有其他嘢，咁點樣啲信息會出去咧？佢收到啊咁樣。
Then Krishna stood up and from his bed.
咁 Krishna 就企起身啦。
And then Rukmini told my husband, what happened? Take rest.
咁樣佢咧 Rukmini 就問佢啊，佢話：誒點解做咩你起身啊？休息啊
And then Krishna told Rukmini, I have no time to take rest.
？Krishna 話：我而家唔得閒啊，我
Then
休息。
Krishna just came from Dwarka to Kambhavan.
咁 Krishna 當時咧，佢就喺佐阿拉球去到卡咩灣嗰度。
Apani Padu. He has no legs, but he
所以
walks.
Krishna 咧，佢話要嚟嗰陣時，佢好快㗎，佢都冇腳嘅，唔使咁佢
How does he
識得
walk?
飛啊！
He has transcendental legs.
因為佢係超然㗎嘛，
Eh?
話到就到。
So Krishna, he came from Dwarkapuri to Kambhavan.
咁咧 Krishna 喺多一球皇宮嗰度咧，已經而家係到咗森林
Then
呢度。
Krishna asked Draupadi, Draupadi, then I'm very hungry.
咁咧 Krishna 同教巴條話咧，我而家好攰，咧好肚餓啊！
Then Draupadi started to cry.
教巴條話聽到佢話好肚餓，而家我都冇咩食，仲話肚
You know
餓。
everything.
佢嗰邊但係你都知道係發生咗咩事啦。
Now Durvasaji has come in my house with his 60,000 disciples.
咁咧佢話咧，多一首烏利啊，個個都知道，都識佢㗎。佢帶埋咧6萬個門
But
徒，
in
而
my
家要過嚟
house
食
not
中
any
餐。
grains, nothing.
而家我哋咧都食飽咗中午飯
How
啊，
to serve Durvasa?
咁點樣去服務佢咧？
Eh? And soon he will come taking bath from river.
咁咧佢哋就快沐完浴咧，就會翻嚟食嘢㗎啦。
Eh? Draupadi she cried and shedding tears.
咁咧多不啲咧就話慘啦，如果唔係成家都可以俾佢燒死晒。
Eh? Because she was weeping and shedding tears.
咁喺多不啲咧喺度真係喊咯，同埋話俾佢聽。
Then Krishna told Draupadi,
Krishna 咧即係多不其實佢有愛人㗎。
I'm your best
咁啊
friend.
對 Krishna，
Don't worry.
所以佢話哦，佢話女朋友唔好喊咯。
Then Krishna told Draupadi, bring one glass of water.
咁咧佢話叫你攞樽水攞杯水俾佢。
Then Draupadi offered one glass of water to Krishna.
咁咧多不啲咧俾咗杯水俾佢飲。
Then Krishna asked, bring your that mystic bowl.
咁 Krishna 話咧，你將你個神奇煲攞過嚟啊！
Draupadi told, already I washed nothing. in it."
多翻年咧就話咧，我已經洗乾淨啦，
But
乜都
Krishna
冇
told,
啦。
give to me that mystic bowl.
Krishna 話咧，你都係俾我啦，你攞過嚟俾我。
Then Krishna took the mystic bowl and saw one small sack, sack spinach,
即係個葉咧喺入邊，
very small spinach outside of the mystic
即
bowl.
係個煲個外邊嗰度咧有一片葉，有一啲咁多嘅
Krishna
葉
took that
菜葉喺度。
spinach.
非常咧就食咗個一啲咁多嘅菜葉，
And drank that one glass.
之後咧就飲咗一杯水。
And Krishna used this one. Then I'm satisfied.
非常話：而家我好飽好飽。
Then our Shastra says, Tasmin tuste jagat tuste. If Krishna is satisfied, then everything is satisfied.
咁咧經典都話啦，如果佢就食飽咗，個個都飽啊，特別係聖人咧仲加飽啊。
Then says, if you serve to Krishna, that means you serve to everyone.
所以如果一個人咧係服務咗 Krishna 咧，就表示服務晒所有啲其他人。
This is good.
呢啲係事實啊，係咯。
So now Krishna saying, what is saying? Krishna saying, what? I am satisfied.
所以 Krishna 話：我已經好滿足啊，呢係表示食飽啦。
Then, and Krishna told to Bhim, go.
Krishna 話：邊啊，你而家
And
咧
all the Devasisi and his disciples, now Prasad is
你而家
completely
咧
prepared.
去叫咧多沙摩尼同埋佢啲朋友咧，唔係啲朋友咧，叫佢哋過嚟啊，就話咧佛沙入面準備好。
Then Bhim took his gada,
咁喺邊咧就攞咗佢嗰個鐵棒啊，
going to invite the Devasisi and his disciples.
咁咧佢就係去叫咧多沙摩尼同埋佢啲門徒過嚟。
And then Devasisi, after taking bath in the river, then Devasisi is going to taking honey.
咁多沙摩尼咧，佢係沐咗浴之後，佢諗住坐低咧，即係話
Then all his
連家一齊。
disciples also, after taking bath, chanting Gayatri mantra.
咁咧通常咧都係聖人係咁㗎，啲沐浴咗之後咧，佢哋就會連家一齊嘅。
All disciples told Gurudev, oh,
小心啲，去睇。
Gurudev, now our stomach completely full.
咁咧佢話咧總之而家我哋個肚咧好飽啊。
there is no place to eat anything.
佢話其實我哋而家突然間個肚好脹，根本就食唔落嘢咁樣。
And Devasisi also told, yes, the same thing.
嗰時呢時話係啊，點解我個肚都覺得好飽咁嘅？
I, Draupadi, to prepare many kinds of same preparation. Draupadi, she prepared.
我咧就叫咗多巴地要煮咁多種嘢俾我哋食。
And even there was no place to take any hajmala, one can say digesting. And stop it. Because stomach completely full unto throat.
即係話而家呢係食到太飽，飽到打咩啊？打嗝咁。
And disciples said, yes, Gurudev, we ate everything.
即係
Our stomach completely
食到
full.
太飽啦，
full.
大益啊！
And,
咁樣嗰陣時話，我哋咧食唔落㗎啦，
and too much we also were overeating. The
而
Devasisi
且
says,
咧係已經超咗。
oh, Draupadi she cooked very nice, delicious. So I think, yeah, I ate. And overeating.
個手乜你話，我覺得咧多巴地煮得太好食嘅嘢啊，所以我喺度諗咧已經就飽
If
咗
we
啦
ate，too much, then
已經飽到你喺個喉嚨嗰度。
too much. Yeah.
太飽啦咁樣。
Then they had Bhim is coming. Then
咁咧佢哋咧喺度
Bhim
傾
is
緊話好
coming.
飽，佢哋話哇邊個嚟緊喎？
Must be Draupadi she cooked and Bhim
點
is
先咧
coming.
攞埋個鐵錘過嚟喎？如果我哋叫佢哋煮咁多嘢，如果我哋唔食嘅話咧，俾佢打死都有份。
Anything.
佢哋話咁點啊？而家個肚咁飽。
Bhim is very powerful. You will not go. You will be done. Leave it to Uttega.
所以點聲咧係好容易撈嘅都係。
Bhim is not
其實
very
咧，
powerful.
佢叫我哋去食翻嘅時候，如果我哋唔翻去，
Then
咁
when
佢就
disciple
打
was here, Bhimsen is coming. What will do now?
咁樣嗰手妹就話：哦係喎，佢啊，
Then all disciples they ran away.
所有啲門徒咧，佢哋都走咗啊，逃跑啊。
Then Draupadi was thinking also true. What will do now?
佢都
My
覺得
stomach
係
completely full
個
and
肚
so
咁飽
yeah.
咧，食唔落嘢啊，所以唯有咧就跑啦。
Then the Devasisi think if Bhim will catch me, then we will not leave it.
咁當沈摩尼諗住咧，阿俾如果係捉到佢咧，肯定會打佢或者係叫佢食嘢。
Then Durvasa ji, with his yoga power, mystic power, then Durvasa
佢
ji
哋全部
also
都係通過啲嗰啲神通啊，通過神通咧係飛走咗啦。
And in this way, Krishna solved all kinds of the calamity of Pandavas.
所以佢成日至尊子佢係萬能㗎，佢咧就次次都喺度幫緊咧，唔幫大話。
And Krishna always staying with also Pandavas. Many stories, Mahabharata.
佢都係同佢一齊啊咁咯，好似馬哈巴拉達咁啊，大家都知道。
Take many kathas how Krishna always staying with Pandavas and helping.
非常同攀鬥啊嗰啲哈利吉他都係講嚴嘅都係，好多嗰啲啲嘢。
But in the Srimad Bhagavatam, Narada Rishi also glorified Yudhishthira Maharaj.
咁樣那拉德呢時咧喺寶嘉雅壇嗰度咧係
Once Narada Rishi he came in Hastinapur. That time Yudhishthira Maharaj the king of Hastinapur.
有啲事都馬拉就佢嚟咗呢個哈斯蒂納普拉嗰度，
When
那
Narada
拉
Rishi
德姆尼嚟到嗰度，
came, then
咁
Yudhishthira
係
Maharaj
哈斯蒂
very
納普拉
nicely worshipped the lotus feet of Narada Rishi because Narada Rishi is the guru.
咁樣那拉德呢時係咕嚕啊，所以呢有啲啦馬拉主國王咧係好好咁樣
And
嚟
that time
到佢
Krishna
招
also
呼。
present in their house.
咁後尾佢咧都係出現喺嗰度。
And that time Yudhishthira Maharaj asked to Narada Rishi, Gurudev, please give some advice to us.
所以佢話咧要啲事啊馬拉個國王就問聖人啦，佢話古啲人你俾啲好嘅建議。
Yudhishthira Maharaj he is very calm and quiet and also humble. Then
有啲事啊馬拉自己佢係好平靜嘅人啊，同埋咧佢都好謙卑。
Yudhishthira Maharaj told, hey Gurudev, we are householder. So how we will maintain our life and complete the etiquette, householder etiquette? Give some advice.
咁你要知道馬拉自己話古啲人我哋係屬於係居士啊，咁我哋點樣咧係可以咧即係做得好，同埋咧即係做很好嘅居士嘅身份要做嘅嘢。
That time Narada Rishi told Yudhishthira,
咁樣那拉啲師話。
you are high class devotee of Krishna. For this regard Krishna, always staying in your house.
其實咧，你係嗰個奉獻者，非常成日都喺你哋屋
This
企。
verse is Juang niloke Bhatta bhuri bhaga Je samangriyanang Pattatiti sakchat. Now this told Juang niloke Bhatta bhuri bhaga.
嗱，
Hey Yudhishthira Maharaj, all you are, many Pandavas, all you are very fortunate.
佢話你哋五兄弟啊，翻大話都係非常之幸運
Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead.
佢成日至尊主，
But Krishna always staying in your house.
但佢成日都住喺你哋屋企。
Nilokam, Nilangam Murti, always staying in your house at the Manusya Murti, Manusya Vigraha, staying in your house.
成日都住喺你哋屋企㗎。
For this regard, every day, all the demigods headed by Brahma used to come in your house and taking the food dust from your door.
所以咧，佢話咧，其實咧，佢咧喺你屋企，所以咧，所有啲本神人、布拉瑪同埋啲所有啲本神人咧，每一日咧嚟你屋企咧，都係攞啲嘢。
Juang Niloke Vatavuri Bhaga Jesam Griyanam Pasasti Satsat. Krishna, who is the supreme personality of Godhead, now he is always staying in your house. For this regard, all the demigods headed by Brahma used to come to your house and taking the dust from your door.
所以咧，就因為非常之尊主啊，喺你屋企，所以咧由布拉瑪帶頭嘅所有嘅本神咧，係成日都每一日咧係嚟到屋企嘅門口嗰度，即係話碰啲地下嘅
That's
塵。
the evidence in Bhagavatam.
所以呢啲全
They
部
have
都
Pandavas,
係
they have love and affection with Krishna.
所以呢啲係五班就話咧同非常個愛意嘅交流嘅。
So for this regard, Pandavas, they are called Prem Parabhakta.
所以咧呢啲五班就叫做 Prem
Prema Parabhakta. Because they have many kinds of relationship with Krishna.
因為佢哋同非常有好多種唔同嘅關係啊。
Krishna himself arranged his sister Draupadi's sister
Subhadra。
Subhadra's marriage ceremony with Arjuna.
咁佢神親自將佢個美 bộ細妹咧係去
Krishna
俾
drove the
佢俾
chariot
阿
of
阿
Arjuna
阿
in the
尊娜，
battlefield of
將
Kurukshetra.
個妹嫁俾阿尊娜。
Eh?
先係
No,
古
Krishna
斯
is
上
Bhagavan.
大戰嗰陣時，佢幫
He
佢，
always
所以成日佢都幫佢哋。
once Arjuna, he came in Dwarkapuri, meet with Krishna.
咁有一次咧，阿尊娜去咗多拉嗰度同Krishna 去多拉阿尊娜去多拉見咧阿
Eh?
Krishna，
Draupadi and
多拉
Arjuna, he came in Dwarkapuri.
佢哋兩個都去咗嗰度。
Then midnight,
中晚夜嘅時候，
and Arjuna, both are sleeping in the same bed.
咁午夜嘅時候，佢哋兩個都係瞓喺同一張床嗰度。
And Krishna's head towards Draupadi. Arjuna's leg. And Arjuna's leg towards Krishna's leg. And both of them also
兩
embracing.
個人咧係唔同一個方向瞓
And how
㗎。
their friendship.
咁佢哋嘅嗰個友情咧就係咁
And
親
every
密。
second chanting Krishna, Krishna.
阿尊娜咧每一刻都喺度聊 Krishna
And
Krishna。
Krishna chanting, Arjuna.
咁 Krishna 咧就係阿尊娜阿尊
And in the sight
佢
of
就
Krishna,
Krishna Krishna。
and Draupadi is panic. And in the sight of Arjuna,
咁咧多巴字咧就喺
Rukmini
嗰度咧同阿
Sattama,
Krishna 喺不動啊。咁咧which queen？我都
Rukmini Sattama, they are panic.
之後嗰啲王妃咧就係幫阿尊娜喺度不動。
So how they have deep friendship to each other.
所以咧 Krishna 同阿尊娜佢哋啲友情咧係好深嘅，深厚嘅。
They cannot believe how they have love and affection to each other.
所以呢啲係佢哋嘅愛意啊，愛嘅關係咯。
So these types of many stories in Mahabharata is saying how Arjuna and Krishna, they are love and affection.
咁咧呢啲係講到咧阿尊娜咧同埋咧 Krishna 佢哋嘅 Krishna 同阿尊娜佢哋嘅關係。
So for this regard, there are many stories. If I calculate, we need also 7 days. Whole Mahabharata will come.
即係如果係要講嘅成個星期都講唔晒呢個馬哈巴拉。
Not only this, Draupadi says love and affection with Krishna.
咁咧
Eh?
多巴字都係啊，即係佢對 Krishna 啲愛都係好特別嘅。
Nakul, Sahadev, Yudhishthir, Kunti, they have love and affection with Krishna.
所以嗱，佢撒爹啊，同埋要啲師啦、馬啦，似佢哋咁兄弟啲，都係對 Krishna 好特別嘅愛。
So for this regard, Krishna always staying in the house of
所以咧，因此啊，Krishna 成日都係攀到啊佢哋屋企住。
Baro Pandavas ki.
即係
Then coming Prematur Bhakta Uddhava.
咁咧之後咧就係嗰啲 Prema Bhakta 咧係 Uddhava，
And Prematur, Atur, Hankari.
即係話佢哋叫做
How to receive the prem of Braj. For this regard,
Uddhava 想佢得到
Uddhava
咧
is
揾
called
到嗰
prem
種
of
情
Atur.
感。
Atur and Hankari. How to receive the wondrous sprinkle prem of the Brajavasi.
佢想咧得到咧Braja 居民嗰啲一啲咁多嘅情感。
And Krishna sent to Uddhava. And Mathura to Dwarkapuri.
Is it Krishna?
Vrindavan.
Krishna 已經係俾佢機會啊，即係話等佢學呢種情感啊，佢將佢咧由個朵塔嗰度咧派去溫州。
Chotam Braji Sumam Pratimam Pratibhavo Mat Viyanang Gopi Gopinang Mat Sandasaki Vimurchayo. So they were saying,
所以呢一個上
Hey Uddhav, you have to go Braj.
佢話Krishna 講話，Uddhava 你應該咧去 Braja 去溫州咁。
And you pacified my parents and fulfill my message, my beloved gopis.
咁咧你應該去安慰我嘅父母，同埋咧去將我啲情信咧係送俾我心愛嘅愛人啊。
Tomorrow class? No.
Yeah, tomorrow morning class.
Morning.
Evening as well.
Evening?
Evening we're not because we will not have enough time. We are 10:30. We have to pass the border and also.
Oh.
No.
So we may leave
So
right
maybe next time we'll come.
5.
Then I will stay to Kotha.
咁咧
How Uddhav?
tomorrow morning can continue this subject. 哦係啊，嗰邊都未講完。Okay, then what else? Uda one now is only go to summary. 5 minutes.
So Uddhav, when he came in Braj and he saw Brajavasis, how they have love and affection with Krishna.
所以咧，烏豆咧係去到咧溫州人就見到呢啲木牛姑娘佢哋點樣係愛 Krishna。
Uddhav he met with Nanda Maharaj and to pacify to him.
咁佢想咧係安慰啊南丹馬啦者，佢見到佢嗰陣時。
Because Uddhav he has vast of knowledge of the scriptures, Shastra.
有就話咧，佢係有經典知識嘅人嚟。
But with his knowledge of the scriptures, he could not pacify to Nanda Maharaj.
佢啲經典知識咧係唔可以去咧安慰嗰啲自我同埋。
Because Braj Prema, that is Ishwar,
spontaneous.
spontaneous, and they have Lokisabdana Bhakriti. They have friendship with Krishna as like their families.
所以咧，佢哋咧本州人嗰種情感咧係屬於自發嘅行為，同埋咧佢哋同 Krishna 關係咧就好似啲家庭
three
嘅
kinds
關
of
係，
prem, love.
家人關係咁啊。
What is that? Huh? First, that is called Vivek Sunno prem. They cannot discriminate with the intelligent Krishna in Braj or Krishna. And
佢已經講咗上次啊，即係話佢哋咧，就算同 Krishna 分開咗，佢都唔知究竟 Krishna 喺邊度。
that is called trees,
即係好似
birds,
啲
cows.
魚啊、石頭啊、山咁啊咁樣升山。
They have love and everything, but they
佢
cannot
哋對 Krishna 有
discriminate.
愛，但係咧佢哋屬於係一種
So for
即
this
係
regard,
佢係咁喺度。
in Vrindavan, trees, birds, cows, they are love and affection with Krishna. That is called Vivek Sunno prem.
佢哋叫做 Vivek Sunno 就唔會分別啊，冇有分別，佢有喺度嘅。
Then third, a second, that is called Visramba prem.
第二種咧就係
So much intimacy with
親
Krishna,
密啊關係，
friendship with Krishna.
即係話嗰啲
And
朋
then
友嘅
Subal
關係。
Siddham, Subal Siddham.
啲蒙個朋友啊，咁佢哋同 Krishna 嘅朋友關係。
Or third, that is called Utkantamui prem. Remember, देखो क्या बोला?
विश्रम्भेन प्रेम विवेक शून्य प्रेम
Then Utkantamui.
प्रेम
Utkanta means yes, so much eagerness.
咁咧，
Utkanta,
真係
eagerness.
就幾時隨時
But
都想
that
見到
eagerness
佢。
only that when they will direct meet with Krishna.
佢哋成日都想立志咧，點樣咧親自去見到 Krishna。
They want to direct meet with Krishna. They don't want to towards any kinds of pacification.
所以咧，其他嗰啲係安慰唔到佢哋咯，淨係想咧親自見到佢咁樣先至會唔會有分離嘅火。
And especially these types of prem in the heart of the gopis and also Mother Yashoda.
咁咧，其實媽媽有需要答問啲木牛姑娘咧，佢哋心中有呢種情感。
Lord Shastra saying this way, when Uddhav came, actually Mother Yashoda, she did not speak with Uddhav because Mother Yashoda so much Vatsalava with Krishna and she completely fainted.
咁咧，其
And
實
Nanda
咧，
Maharaj just spoke something, few words.
咁烏大話嚟嗰陣時咧，其實媽媽有需要，但係佢係完全啊喺內在嘅分離情感中啊，所以佢一句説話都冇同佢傾過。但南丹馬拉姐雖然係有同佢傾啲説話，但係都係好少咁。
Uddhav tried to pacify to Nanda Maharaj. That Krishna is Bhagavan. So why you are crying?
因為咧，烏大話嘗試咧，將嗰啲經典嘅真理啊嚟講咧，叫阿南丹馬拉姐唔使咁樣
He
傷
told
心。
Uddhav
佢
told
話
hey,
佢
Nanda
係
Maharaj, you are
自
very
尊
fortunate.
你好幸運啊！個自尊自做你個仔啊咁。
Mahabhaga, you are very fortunate. Because Krishna is Bhagavan. Now he is your son. Bhagavan your son.
即係有個仔係自尊自喎，咁你肯定係最幸運嘅。你應該覺得幸福，唔使喊啊，或者唔使傷心。
Virohe Mahabhaga. Make Anugrahakrit. Then Nanda Maharaj told Uddhav, I heard you are a very intelligent person.
南丹馬拉聽到佢呢啲説話，佢就話：烏德話我以前咧聽講咧，你都係好聰明嘅人，我而家
But
聽，
now you are speaking as like a baby.
我先知道咧，原來你係一個細路仔嚟嘅，都唔知點樣講嘢。
Because you told I am very fortunate because my son Krishna is Bhagavan.
佢話咧，而家喺呢個時候，我已經失去咗我個仔咧，你竟然同我講我個仔係自尊自。
But we never think Krishna is Bhagavan.
即係令到佢仲傷心嘅意思。
And we did
咁
not
佢就話：
see any symptoms of Bhagavan in the heart of my son Krishna.
我哋咧唔會將我個仔咧係，我哋唔會將我哋個仔咧睇成至尊子啊！亦都喺我哋個仔身上，我哋
He would have told to me
見唔
what
到
the
佢有
symptom
咩
of
至尊子嗰
Bhagavan.
種跡。佢都唔係至尊子嗰種感覺，或者係有啲象徵啊。
Who is Bhagavan? He has no 18th faults. Ashtadosha Gunita Rahita Bhagavat.
至尊子就表示咧，佢又冇錯誤㗎。
Bhagavan, he never cried.
至尊子佢都唔使喊，因為佢極
But
樂
we
嘅主。
saw our son Krishna. He
但我哋個
cried.
仔咧成日都喊啊，俾隻乜針下當喊。
And who is Bhagavan? He never tells lie.
咁咧同埋咧，至尊子唔會講假言
But my
假話
son。Krishna,
但係我哋嘅 Krishna 偷
every second, every moment, he
Krishna 成日都喺度講假嘢嘅，他成日啲日日都話冇偷，所以
he
你成日都
stole.
喺度
Who is Bhagavan? He never stole.
至尊子點會講呢啲嘢啊？
But my son Krishna, he stole butter from the house.
至
Every day,
至
gopis
尊
they
子係
used
唔
to
使
come
去
our
偷
house and
㗎，但係我
complain.
個仔咧成日咧 Krishna 咧成日到時家家戶戶去偷人哋啲奶油食，你知唔知啊？
Bhagavan, who is Bhagavan? He is not hungry.
咁咧同埋咧，至尊子係唔會肚餓嘅，根本就唔使去食。
But we saw my son Krishna.
但係咧，我哋咧見到咧，我哋個仔咧真係成日都話肚
Became
餓
very
食。
fast. Who is Bhagavan? He is never fair not coming in here.
所以
Completely
咧
fearless.，
即係我哋咧係留佢嗰陣時，佢都好驚咁啊。其實至尊
But
子
we
都
saw
冇
my
有
son
防備
baby
心。
Krishna. He feared. Eh? One mother Jashoda told, hey, Kanai, don't go this way. But why not? Because that place is a ghost is there.
後流
How beloved? Eh?
啊，
Then
所以
Krishna
個
prayed, oh, how beloved.
後尾有一次咧，媽媽張大就話 Krishna 唔好去嗰邊，佢話點解唔得？佢嗰邊有鬼啊！佢話哇好會啦，哇佢有鬼啊！佢 Krishna 就嚇到即刻撲翻轉頭，我話媽媽有張大神。
So in this way, whole night, Nanda Maharaj, he remembered Krishna's all sweet pastimes
所以咧咁
and
樣
told
咧。
Uddhav, how did you prove that my son Krishna is Bhagavan?
所以咧，能得馬拉子咧就答咗佢咁多嘢之後，舉咗佢好多例子俾佢聽。佢話：你咧同我講，我個仔係至尊子，點會係至尊子啫？
But Uddhav, he tried to establish his own philosophy with his knowledge.
有好就話佢嘅認識面咧，對 Krishna 嘅認識面咧，佢就係由經典嗰度嚟嘅，所以佢就係知道佢至尊子啊。
But Uddhav could not establish his philosophy.
所以咧，佢係即係話喺能得爸爸身上咧，佢係
Because
可以
Nanda
俾呢
Maharaj,
種
he
知
has
識
so。much love and Vatsala Bhava.
因為呢啲係叫做自發奉愛同好特別嘅關係啊。
And that was a complete freedom, all kinds of Aishwarya.
所以咧喺佢哋關係中咧係冇有呢個富而言㗎，即係冇有至尊子嗰種富而嘅嗰一啲品質啊。
So for this regard, Nanda
有啊，
Maharaj
但係
told
俾
how,
俾條文
but
字
you are not
佢。
saying, my son is Krishna, who is Bhagavan.
所以咧佢就話啦：你睇我個仔係咁樣做，咁樣講嘢㗎，咁點會佢會係一個至尊子咧？
And now you are giving the salt in the body by the cutting.
即係而家咧，你同我講咁樣啲説話咧，就等於係一個人咧係已經係即係話用刀仔即係整傷咗手指啊，整咗有啲皮膚之後，你仲放啲鹽落去，仲加痛啊！
Your hand is cutting, then blood coming, you are feeling pain. At the same time, some person you put the salt, you are feeling how much?
即
More
係其實
pain.
咧，我哋有時咧唔小心整親咗咧，即係話個刀仔劃傷咗啲皮咧，就流血，我哋覺得好痛。但係我哋啲朋友話你放啲鹽去消炎啊，所以咧就放咗啲鹽落去，其實係好痛㗎，雙倍嘅痛。
Because we never think Krishna is Bhagavan. Now you
所以咧，得爸
told
爸就
Krishna
話
is
啦。
Bhagavan.
其實我而家失去咗我個仔，佢而家唔喺我身邊啊，反
That
而你
means
仲
we
同我
lost
講
two
佢係至尊
things. My son also Bhagavan. Eh?
咁你令到我仲加心痛啊！話佢係至尊子，即係我仲加心痛咯。
One person had one very valuable jewel. He did not know
佢話
that the
咧
valuable jewels.，
即係話個例子就好似一個人咧有一塊咧好珍貴嘅寶石，
Maybe that is called porcelain.
佢就唔知呢個咧係點金石嚟嘅。
Then when lost, that the festival, then one person came. Oh, you are very lucky because you got that festival.
咁咧，當佢呢嗰嚿石頭咧唔見咗嗰陣時咧，嗰個朋友就同佢講：哇！你知唔知你俾我睇嗰塊石咧係為點金石嚟㗎？你聽到就好傷心。
That is your stupid nonsense. One. So how possible fortune? Before I was thinking that was maybe ordinary stone. Now you told me that was a stone.
所以咧，
How possible fortune?
你同我講話我好幸運，有咩幸運啫？都已經抌咗咯，即係話我都唔知係點金石咁樣，都已經唔見咗啦。
And they were. So Nanda Maharaj told these things.
恩德馬
We
咧就
never
話：
think Krishna is Bhagavan. Now you told my son is Bhagavan.
Oh, they
Now
told
we lost our son and also one book. So how pain is coming? That means is what? You have put the salt in the
it will wood。
Wound.
huh?
Wound.
Food.
Yeah.
所以咧佢就話咧，而
Rubbing
家
salt in the wound. Yeah.
啊，所以咧佢就話咧，你咧而家咧就本嚟我哋個仔咧已經唔喺度啦，我哋好傷心啊。咁而家你仲要同我講咧，我哋個仔其實係一個至尊子啊，即係等嘅雙重嘅痛。
Then Nanda Maharaj weeping and shedding tears.
咁啊，恩德爸爸咧就仲加傷
Then
心。
Uddhava is saying, how can I specify?
所以
Because
嗱，烏豆就諗住我會安慰佢，叫佢唔使傷心，點知雙倍嘅傷心啊！得
Uddhava is thinking, if I tell, hey Nanda Maharaj, don't cry.
烏豆諗住，如果我叫恩德馬啦，就唔好喊嘅時。
Then all Shastra scriptures saying, no, you have to cry for Krishna.
但係咧啲經典都話啦，我哋要為 Krishna 喊啊！
And our Shastra saying, everybody have to cry for Krishna.
經典就話啦，你好似 BB 仔咁樣，要媽媽咁嗰種係咁樣去喊啊，去哭啦。哦，Krishna 幫我啦，即係救我，拯救我。
If I tell, oh Nanda Maharaj, cry for Krishna, then how possible specify?
所以咧，烏德話就話啦，我唔會叫恩德馬啦，就唔好喊佢。
And, or if I tell, hey Nanda Maharaj, don't cry, then all scriptures say, no, how possible I tell, don't cry.
所以咧喺呢個時候咧，我係唔會叫佢唔好喊，因為佢要喊先至啱嘅。
Everybody should cry for Krishna. It's true.
所以每一個人都應該係為 Krishna 去喊嘅嘛，
And
即係將個愛咧、痛咧，都應該係指向
Mahaprabhu
Krishna。
Krishna body kanumago dukkha oh my mother, cry for Krishna.
所以咧應該咧係咧要咧啊，
And so now
指
can
到同
Uddhava
佢
is
媽
thinking,
話
how
佢
can
你
I specify to
為
him?
Krishna 去哭咁。
Then Uddhava is saying, hey Nanda Maharaj, please come out from your room because you are staying in one place and then your mind completely, what is called, exhausted.
咁咧後尾咧，烏豆就話咧，
Exhausted.
Exhausted.
佢話烏豆
Because you
話
stay in one place, then so many things.
你咧唔好咧一個人成日得即係一個地方咁樣過
You
啦
have to divert your
你
mind.
會學，你會咧係好
Or
憂
something
憂慮。
on the bank of the Yamuna.
你應該去一飲啦河邊啊，或者係啲森林嗰度行下。
What is called?
Balance. Stable.
Divers.
peaceful 咁樣你嘅心意咧就會思想咧就會比較咧平靜咁咯。
Then Nanda Maharaj told Uddhava, if I would go on the bank of Jamuna anywhere, then I see that Krishna's very small footprints are there. Then my heart completely melted and remembered.
咁得馬啦就話咧，如果我咧係去到森林或者河邊咧，我到處都見到非常之少少嘅足印喺度啊，所以我見到呢啲仲加傷心。
In Vrindavan, where is not the Krishna's footprints? Everywhere.
其實你喺溫州雲邊度冇有非常嘅足印咧？
And still, Krishna's footprints are there. If I would go,
咁
and
而
see
家
the
就
footprints.
佢話咧，如果我去到咧，我都係見到佢嘅足印啊！你話我有咩感覺咧？
Then all Krishna's, my baby Krishna's, all pastimes come in my mind.
咁咧，而且佢哋喺嗰度玩嗰啲相，呢啲咁嘅消時光都會出現喺我心中。
Then Nanda Maharaj is crying.
咁那得晚個切喊得仲慘。
Okay? But Mother Jasoda, she completely fainted.
媽媽有燒到以前冇有反應啊，佢又已經冇
She
冇
did
晒
not
外
talk
地
with
知識，
Uddhava because when
所以
she
你
just
你傾偈都冇同烏豆
remember Krishna, then she fainted.
佢如果佢甦醒咗咧，記起佢時候佢又暈低咗，佢先係喺度喊。
Sometimes Mother Jasoda is completely mad.
有時媽媽有出嚟，佢都係成個黐咗線咁。
Then Uddhava thinking now about Brahma Murta, I have to take bath.
咁後尾烏頭咧就諗住而家已經係早晨嘅時候啦，所以咧應該咧佢
Uddhava
咧
came on the bank of Yamuna.
黎明嘅時候，所以佢已經去有本拿河嗰邊咧沐浴啦。
When Uddhava came on the bank of Yamuna, some gopis they came.
當呢烏頭去到有本拿河邊嘅時候咧，啲牧牛姑娘都嚟到嗰
After
度。
taking bath in the water of the Yamuna, then Uddhava tried to chant his Gayatri mantra.
烏頭話咧喺度沐浴咗之後，佢想念解一次。
Then in the meantime, some gopis they came in the same
咁
place.
佢見到呢啲牧牛姑娘都嚟到
Both they are
嗰度，
whispering, speak to each other.
佢哋都喺度咧係交談。
The one gopi told to another gopi,
佢哋咧，
we saw one golden chariot
佢哋話咧，其實
courtyards of Nandamana.
我哋見到咧有部金馬車係嚟咗喺恩德馬拉照門口。
Who has come?
個院嗰度，即係究竟係
Where is
邊個
come
嚟咗？
this chariot?
個庭院個即係話佢哋院子嗰度嚟有金馬車，咁邊個嚟咗咧？
This chariot has come from Mathura.
哦，原來呢啲金馬車係嚟自馬祖拿嘅。
Oh, this chariot is from our beloved Krishna. Now he is in king of Mathura.
因為咧而家佢實已經喺國王嗰度啦，
He must be. He
即係
sent
佢都係國王。
his servant.
所以咧佢係馬祖拿國王，所以佢應該會派翻啲僕人過嚟。
And he did not come himself.
佢自己唔會再翻
He
嚟，
sent his one servant.
所以佢將佢呢啲僕人咧係派咗過嚟。
They are using very teasing words.
佢哋用啲好諷刺嗰啲説話。
And now Krishna is the king of Dwarka.
其實而家都
Hey,
係
Dwarka,
馬
king
祖
of
拿。
Mathura.
馬都拿
So
嘅
why you
國王，
come here?
咁點解就會記起我哋或者再翻嚟呢？
He sent his one servant
咁佢係淨係派咗啲僕人翻嚟見我哋
and
嘅啫。
sent his own golden chariot.
但係咧，佢咧叫佢哋咧，即係話駕埋自己呢個馬車咁樣，
Why?
紫色嘅馬車過嚟。
Because Krishna is showing to us, hey gopis, before I was cowherd boy, now I am king of Mathura. Look my
點解咧
chariot.
要用
Look
佢
my
啲
golden
金馬車咁樣過嚟咧？係因為咧，非常想話俾我哋聽，哦，牧牛姑娘你知嘛？以前我係一個牧牛童啫，而家咧我已經係好有錢㗎啦，連我啲馬車都係黃金嘅。
Then another gopi told, why did he come here?
咁佢哋就問點解你會嚟呢？
That another gopi told, you know, we heard of beloved Krishna. He killed Kamsa.
咁咧後尾佢哋咧就話，其實我哋都聽咗話，佢實已經都殺咗金沙咯
Kamsa left his body,
喎，金沙已經死咗啦。
but after his what is called funeral, and must be performed one what is called ritual sacrifice.
咁佢哋咧，如果係即係話佢咧係燒咗之後咧，都會做翻一
This
啲
is called
儀
the
式。
Vedic culture.
呢啲係
If you
主要
any person will die, then you have to then any cremation anything. What you do? A ritual ceremony.
即係佢哋如果係喺凱特文化咧，就如果有邊啲
You have to
啲
perform fire
人咧
sacrifice.
去咗咧，佢哋就要做翻個火祭啊儀式。
When they say Kamsa left his body,
咁金沙已經死咗，
then must be Mathura, the residents of Mathura. They have to perform it.
咁馬都拿嗰啲居民咧，
Ritual
佢
fire
哋會
sacrifice.
做開一個咧即係話好似儀式嘅傳統儀式嗰種火祭。
But in ritual sacrifice, what they offer in the Purnahuti?
咁咧佢哋咧做火祭儀式嘅時候，佢哋會咧係
But this
一個
regard
紅
Krishna
啲乜
sent
嘢，
his friend sent his one friend, his servant.
所以咧佢咧烏達佢神咧就派咗佢烏達嚟咗。
And not Uttara, they are going to not taking name of Uttara.
哦，嗰邊
Maybe
佢哋喺度傾嗰
Krishna
陣時，
sent his one servant.
所以咧佢話咧係實佢神就派咗個僕人嚟，因為冇講佢就唔知佢叫咩名，
And
所以話
things from Vrindavan.
可能有啲嘢係喺烏兜
They
嗰
have
度
to
會過嚟，
Purnahuti of Krishna, Kamsa's ritual fire sacrifice.
所以咧可能就為咗呢啲事啊，所以佢派咗人嚟啦。
Eh? What is that? Oh, maybe gopis, they about to die, to bring gopis' hearts and put in the Purnahuti.
佢哋諗住話，如果我哋牧牛姑娘死咗，所以將我哋啲衫咧攞咗去呢嗰啲火祭嗰度。
Eh? Gopi they using these types of teaching hard.
所以佢哋成日都自己喺度傾嘅，即係木牛之間，佢哋喺度傾偈。
When Uddhav listened this katha,
咁佢成烏豆係聽到佢哋唔知佢哋個
why did he come here?
究竟咧？
Why did I bring this golden chariot?
嗰位烏豆聽到呢樣就諗住點解我要嚟呢個地方咧？點解我仲要咧駕駛埋呢個咧黃金嘅馬車嚟咧？
Before I was very proud. Oh, Krishna is my very best friend. Because Krishna gave me his own golden chariot.
咁咧，其實我駕住呢個金色馬車金製馬車過嚟嘅時候，其實我都覺得有啲驕傲，因為我覺得係 Krishna 自己嘅馬車俾我駕駛出嚟。咁而家我聽到佢哋呢啲，我先
Why
知道
did I bring this golden
點
chariot?
解我要用呢個馬車過嚟咧？
Huh? Maybe later, no, but I will not return back to you. Huh? Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai Jai Arpit. Bolo Govinda Bolo Hari Gopal.
準備阿拉提啦嘛。
Govinda Bolo Hari. Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari. Giridhari Sambano Ari. Mero. Okay. Jai Shiva Jayo Jayo Arjano Vitaton Monoloka Arjan Hare Jagadone Monoloka আমার গৌরাঙ্গের আরতি শোভা জগজনে মনোলোভা গৌরাঙ্গ
Nitai Gauranga Jaya Nitai Gauranga Nitai Gauranga Jaya Nitai Gauranga
ও দক্ষিণে নিতাই চাঁদ বামে গদাধর দক্ষিণে নিতাই চাঁদ নিকটে অদ্বৈতী বাসু ছত্রধর
Vasu Chatradhara
कंस बजे बाजे करताल मधुर मृदंग बाजे परम रसाल बहु कथि चंद्र जिनी वदन उज्ज्वल कल देते बनमाला करी झलम शिव सुत नारद प्रेम गद गद शिव सुत नारद पदिरी मद जटे गोरा संपद जय जय राधा कृष्ण जुगल मिलन जय जय राधा आरती करण ललिता सखी गान आरती करण ललिता ओ मदन मोहन रूप तिहंग सुंदर मदन मोहन रूप तिहंग सुंदर पीताम्बर धृति कुछ चूड़ा मनोहर पीताम्बर धृति कुछ ओ ललिता माधव कने भानु कना ललिता माधव नील बचन गौरी रूपे गुण नील बचन गौरी ओ नाना विधाय अलंकार करे झलम नाना विधाय अलंकार करे झलम हरि मन विमोहन वदन उज्ज्वल हरि मन विमोहन हरे विशाखा सखी गान नाना राधिका विशाखा सखी गान प्रिय नम सखी जत श्यामर दुर्गा प्रिय नम सखी जत श्री राधा माधव पद सरसी प्रयासी श्री राधा माधव पद सरसी प्रयासी भगवती विनोद सती पद सुखे भाति भगवती विनोद सती बोलो राधे गोविंद जय राधे गोविंद 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 हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे निताई गौरांग जय निताई गौरांग 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 निताई 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 रक्षमा निताई 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 पारिणा भज गौरंग जप गौरंग भज गौरंग जप गौरंग गौरंगेर नाम रे गौरंगेर निताई 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 रक्षमा निताई 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 रक्षमा निताई 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 पारिणा निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल
राधे जय जय श्री राम जय श्री विकासधारी श्री राधा बिहारी जी की जय जय श्री गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जी की जय जय नित्यलाभ महाराज की जय जय श्री नारायण प्रकांत गुरुवर की जय हरिनाम संग वेदांत स्वामी महाराज की जय श्री भारती कृष्ण महाराज रूपान गुरुवर की जय भक्त प्रहलाद महाराज की जय भक्ति विघ्न विनाश नृसिंह देव की जय ओम वृंदावै तुलसी कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे सत्यभक्ति वंचाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव
पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो जय
जय श्री राम
我哋送過邊個去打下鼓啊？我家姐嚟打鼓啦嚇。